Road and highway construction are vital to the functioning of a modern society. But they can also be challenging. One of the most difficult aspects of this type of work is land grading, which involves cutting and shaping earth in order to create a stable surface for roads and highways. This process can be difficult due to the many variables involved, including soil type, slope, and drainage patterns. The ground is often uneven with roots or rocks that need to be removed before grading can take place. And the terrain may not be flat enough for heavy machinery to operate on it without causing damage to the road surface.
Utensils needed for land grading are grader blades and other equipment that are used for grading. The grader blade is a long, sharp, metal blade attached to a tractor-like machine called a grader. The grader blade is often equipped with an attachment called a grizzly, which can be used to break up large chunks of dirt or rocks that may be in the way. Grader blades are made from steel and have three main parts: 1. The point at which it attaches to the tractor, 2. The blade guard to which it attaches, and 3. The jib crank, which is the part that rotates around the shaft connected to the tractor. The most common type of grader used in road construction is called a tandem scraper grader. It is usually mounted on 2 or more crawler treads for stability.
In order to address these challenges, we must first understand them better so that we can find ways around them when possible or mitigate their effects when not possible. Land grading is the process of shaping land to prepare it for construction. It can be done by adding or removing materials such as soil, sand, or gravel. The purpose of land grading is to provide a stable foundation and reduce the risk of erosion and landslides. Some of the benefits that improved land grading can provide are better drainage, reduced risk of landslides and erosion, increased stability in steep slopes, and minimized need to fill dirt. Effective grading of soils is necessary to ensure the longevity of a road. Road construction projects often require grading of soils to ensure the longevity of a road. The most important factor in this process is how the soil is graded. Ineffective grading can lead to poor drainage, which can cause water and other fluids to pool on the surface and create potholes. This will eventually lead to damage in the asphalt or concrete, which will need expensive repairs. The process begins by first removing any large rocks or other obstructions that might be in the way of construction. This can be done by blasting or using heavy equipment like an excavator. The soil is then graded so that it slopes down from one side to allow for proper drainage and water runoff during wet seasons or rain events. The process of grading land is one of the most crucial steps in the land development process. The success of the project depends largely on the quality and accuracy of this step. In order to achieve the best results with mechanical aids in grading processes, there are a few things that need to be considered. This includes using a proper grading process, selecting an appropriate type of equipment, and choosing a location that is suitable for engineering work. There are a number of best practices that can be used to prevent lateral earth slides. Some of these include avoiding steep slopes, sloping the land away from the structure, raising the foundation and providing adequate drainage. Leveling is a process in which the ground surface is flattened, often by the use of heavy machinery. It is usually done to make the ground level for construction or to make it level for access and working area. Grading, on the other hand, is a process in which soil and rock material are added or removed from an area of land to achieve a desired elevation. This can be done with earth-moving equipment such as bulldozers and graders. The difference between leveling and grading can be summarized as follows. Leveling is done primarily with machinery while grading requires more manual labor. Leveling is used when there are no obstructions while grading can be used on uneven surfaces.
Thank you for watching. Please have a safe and prosperous day. From the team and admin at Namalco Group.